Hey, welcome to Affiliate Marketing with Morgan. I'm Morgan the Mogul, and thanks so much for joining me today. Got some really awesome things to share with you guys, and I'm so excited to jump right into it. But first off, if this is your first time here, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe button, leave me a comment, and then also I want you to check out the playlist. So come over here to playlist, head over to the $25 to profit because we are working on a case study that's using the Home Business Academy with My Legion Secrets to make money on autopilot and throw in there RhinoBot, the automation system that my partner and I built. We figured out how to automate this guy's $500,000 business, and it is awesome. So all this is in order. So all you have to do is go ahead and hit the playlist and start watching right here from this video, and then just kind of work your way down. I show you a lot of really cool things that we can do in the Home Business Academy. And as always, the first link in the description will show you the Home Business Academy. The second link is the My Legion Secrets, and the third link is Project Rhino Bot. All right, and so just to kind of continue with that, we did pick up two more sales. This one is a rebill, and this one is an initial sale. So I'm going to refresh the page just so you know there's no funny business. All right, there we go. You can still see the two sales. So let's back out to the year because we started this, halfway through January. And you can see that in the playlist. I ended up getting my very first commission within 24 hours of signing up for the HBA system. So our little business here is growing from the $25. And like I said, again, from the playlist, the guy we've automated has been in this business for 2.5, almost 3 years, and he's about to clear $500,000 in this business, all from $25. So that's exciting. Obviously, we've only been in this a few months, so we can't exactly compare, but that's okay because, like I said, we're chugging along. And so I recently kind of in continuation with this, started doing social media, like automation posts and things like that. And so that's kind of what I want to talk with you a little bit about, as I kind of ran into this interesting problem. You guys know I like to share, problems and then how to fix them and things like that. Well, the problem that I was running into is that I was using Radar, which is a solution that helps you auto post to your social media accounts, right? And in order to do that, it needed, or rather, I had this bulk list you can see right here of like all of these videos that I was going to upload for the next week or whatnot to be able to post to social media. And that's great, right? That's super exciting. And I put this spreadsheet together, and the problem that I ran into is that I shared all these from the Google Drive, right? And none of the links actually worked. Like your social media auto poster, whatever it is, can't actually use the links from Google when they share. I don't know if you're actually aware, but when you hit the share, right, and you do copy link, and I'm gonna open it up, or I'm just gonna paste it here so you can see it. We're just gonna paste, right? This link, right, isn't actually usable. Like your social media, can't actually access that link. And so I did a quick Google search about how to do it, and like how to change the link and stuff like that. And I found like this software that lets you change one link at a time. Well, you're a busy entrepreneur, right? You are, I am. We don't have time to go through and individually set up all of these individual files, right, one by one, and get them to convert in a file format that is downloadable for your autoresponder, or rather your social media repost or scheduler type of thing. And so what I wanted to show you is that I actually wrote a script, right? And it's totally free to use. I'm just going to show you. So select, and I selected all 20 of these, and I'm just going to hit share, right? And we're just going to copy links, and we're going to hit done. And like I said, I'm going to slide this over just a little bit so you can see it. There we go. I actually created a batch program, little script that will convert all of your Google files into downloadable links, and you can paste up to 500. So I just kind of wanted to show you that. So this is what happens, what it looks like when you saw me copy them, and then I just hit convert now, and it literally changes all of them over to download links, right? For you to be able to immediately add these into your social media. So I'm gonna go ahead, over, and paste it in there so you guys can see that a little bit. And we're just gonna hit download, and it's spinning. Shift you down a little bit so you can still see over here to the side. And there it is right here, our download link. So just gonna open it. And there you go. It's right there. It's ready to be downloaded and put into any of your actual, I'm gonna slide this over, any of your social media um, schedulers or anything like that. And I didn't understand like this was such a simple like problem, and I was surprised when I didn't find any type of batch solutions to do that. So I'm going to include a link to this in the description below, just so that everybody who runs into this problem can have access to it. Like I said, um, I didn't know like this was a problem until you kind of start looking into it. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for being a part of the channel. We'll pick up with the case study, but like I said, I just kind of found this out or figured this out, and I wanted to share it with you so that if you were in the same situation, right? Because social media is such a big part of online marketing, with like TikTok and YouTube Shorts and Facebook Reels and all these types of things, um, we needed something to be able to kind of like auto post and manage a lot of your social media content. And so there it is. You can actually put all of your files into your Google Drive, right? And have them sent directly here and get them changed into direct download links for your social media scheduler. All right. Again, I'm Morgan the Mogul, and thanks so much for checking out my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video where we pick up the case study. All right. Laters.